Hello, everybody. Angela from Angie's Guide 2. And I just wanted to come on here and do a quick demonstration on one of the tools we have here at I Am Academy, Wealthier World. So when you join and you purchase the Elite package, the tool that they give you is this $2.2 billion tool. It's a scanning tool. It scans all the markets, all the currency pairs, and it throws out trade ideas all day long. So 24/7, it throws out ideas for you to take. So I'm just going to briefly show you how we utilize this tool and how we all profit and make money from this tool. So once you've joined the academy and you've been given you set your username and password, you will log on to this platform, the Harmonics, and there are 4 rules to the Harmonic Scanner. So you will be presented with this page, and the first thing you want to look at is you will see something that looks like this, and you might think, oh my god, that is going to be too much, but it's really simple, and I'm going to show you is how simple it is. So down the right hand side here where my cursor is all the different currency pairs. This section here is the brokers, and the brokers call out different trades. So you can click on any one of these. It will default to the most recent one, but you can click on any one of these and you will see that it changes, and it's calling out trade ideas. So the trade ideas are called out on different time frames. So you have this one is M15, which is a 15-minute time frame. This is a 30-minute time frame. This is an hour time frame, and this is a 4-hour time frame, and this is a day time frame. So depending on what you want to take, you can click on them, and there's different currency pairs. When you come into the academy, you will learn about what M15, M30, H1 and all that actually means. You will learn about the different currency pairs, and so they look a bit foreign to you right now, but you will learn very quickly what all of these mean, and you will also learn in detail what all these lines actually mean. These are called candlesticks, by the way, to give you a bit of extra information. And this is called this yellow part is called the harmonic scanner, harmonic pattern. So we just click on this, and I'm going to find a trade that looks good for us to take. I always like gold. So AUD USD, this is a gold trade. And these are live trades, by the way. So these are live trades. So to utilize the harmonic scanner, like I said previously, there are 4 rules to it. So firstly, you want to check the first 4. If you're looking for trade ideas, you check the first 4 because these are the newest trades, okay? So you look for the currency here, but you also make sure the currency is the same one here and the time frame is the same. So XAU USD and M30. So we're on XAU USD M30. So that's correct. Then you will look for the letter D. So we can see the D is at the bottom. So once we know the D is at the bottom, we know that if the D is at the bottom, that means we will buy this currency or gold, okay? So then we look for our entry point. So the entry point is this green line, and it gives you the number. So it's 1750, that is our entry point. And then we will look for our TP, which is take profit. So we are looking to buy this trade. So we know the letter D is here. We're looking to buy it around. It doesn't have to be exactly on this number. As you can see, the red line is the current price, and the green line is the price we're saying we're buying it at. We can actually buy it at this price because it's very close to the line. So we will put this in our MetaTrader 4 app on our phones, and then we will buy it, and we will put in a take profit at 17.25. We will also put in our stop loss, so for 17.06. So what that means, when the market rises, it will take us out in profit. But in case it doesn't rise up to here and it goes the other direction, it will take us out of the market with a minimal loss. Okay? And that is all you need to start trading. This is explained in, we have several different strategies. This is the strategy I just explained, is the basic strategy for all new beginners that come in. As you progress, there's other strategies that we show you, there's other confirmations that we can show you that could confirm that these are actually good entry points, etc. So there's loads of different strategies of how to utilize the harmonic scanner, and this one I've just shown you, everybody comes into trading starting with this one, and then as their skills advance, they learn new strategies. So I hope you found it very useful. We do have an opportunity call to hear all about this later on, so please just drop me a private message if you would like to get onto the next call. If you would like me personally to call you and walk you through certain things, then please let me know and I will call you, or you book a call with me and we will have a quick chat and discuss whatever you have on your mind about trading. I hope you found this very interesting, and thank you.